In this session, I am going to discuss about the differences between two main and popular and powerful programming languages. One programming language is Python, and another programming language is Java. The differences between Java and Python. The difference between Python versus Java. That is very important. Now already you know what is Java, what is the structure of Java. But similarly, Python is also a popular and powerful programming language. So differences between the Java and Python. The first one is Java. Okay, and the next one Python. The first difference is Java was developed by James Gosling in 1995. Java was developed by James Gosling in 1995. Is the first one. Here, first point is Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989, but it was released in 1991. After 2 years, Python was released. Okay, clear. The second one is very important. You want to write a program, very important. The structuring program or not structured program. Program is using structured or unstructured, but the structured or unstructured. In Java, uses braces. That means the begin curly braces and end curly braces. Uses braces for structuring of code. Okay, a structuring of code. For example, in Java, every program starts with begin curly braces and every program end curly braces. That is the structure of the program. In Python, uses indentation only. Indentation. That means indentation means only for the tabs, one tab space or 4 blank spaces. Indentation means one tab space or 4 blank spaces for structuring code. That is very important. And the third important point is in Python, statically typed programming language. Java is a static typed programming language. Static typed programming language. That is what is static typed? All variable names must be declared explicitly. In the declaration part. That is very important in Java. In Python, no need of variable declaration. Python is a dynamic type of programming. Python is a dynamic type of programming language. That is no need of variable declaration. That means when you are assigning a first value, automatically declaring the variable. That is one more difference between the Java and Python. Now here in the Java, declaring the variables in the declaration part, and in Python, no need of variable declaration. And one more very important disadvantage in Java, lengthy and less compact code. Very lengthy and less compact code. Typic static, strong and safe. That means the code is very long. But in Python, simple and easiest way. Simple and smaller and compact way. Simple means we call it smaller and compact code. That is dynamic and strong. That means that is directly less code. That is it. And the fifth differences between the Java and Python. The fifth one is faster but complex syntax. Java is a comparing Python, Java is faster but complex syntax. Syntax cannot be understood easily. Faster, easy, okay, complex syntax. But here, faster, okay, to learn and easy syntax. Faster to learn and easy syntax. That's one more is a difference. And last one, okay, lesser programming is about lesser programmer productivity. Lesser programmer productivity. Here, higher programmer productivity. Here, the 6th point is higher programmer productivity. And one more very important in Java and Python, very important. No perfect libraries. Libraries for different algorithms, machine learning, deep learning, okay, NLR, neural networks, and IoT. Very important. No perfect libraries to develop the IoTs, to develop the machine learning algorithms, develop the deep learning algorithms, AI, and data analysis applications, and data science. That means data analysis application. But here there are the number of Python supports number of inbuilt libraries, extensions of set of libraries, extensions, libraries for developing machine learning. ML means machine learning, deep learning, NLR, and IoT, and data analysis. That is the data science. These are the major differences between the Python and Java. Very important. The 7th one. Nowadays, the market, AI are developing AI applications, ML, DL, and so on. AI developing AI, ML, DL, NR applications. Here, no perfect libraries for AI, ML, DL, NLR, and IoT and data and data science application. No perfect libraries for data science applications. Here, guys, up to here, all of you. Now, and data science application. Now, here, one more important point is the structure of the program. What is the structure of the program? In Java and Python. So, for example, if you want to find the simple print hello world or to find the addition of two numbers. Example 1, addition of two numbers, one program. Addition of two numbers in Java. How to write a program in Java? In Java, every program starts with class. Class name is the name of the file. That is the addition. And the beginning of the structure. Every program write the function, main function, public, static, void, main, string, args. Okay. Now the beginning. This is the 8th difference. 8th difference between the Java and Python. Public void structure. Beginning A, B, C as integer type, or X, Y, Z, or M and K. Now the A value equal to 8, and the B value equal to 25. C equal to A plus B. Okay. Equal to A plus B. Every variable must be declared at the beginning of the section. And one more is system dot out dot println. So that out dot println of C and end of the main program and end of the this is the 8th difference between the Java and Python. This is Java. It's up to numbers program in Java. Now the same one. It's up to numbers program in Python. The same one. How to write the Python? It's up to numbers program in Python. Okay. In Python. Here the Python. It is a very important difference. So now it is a Java code. Develop the same code in Python. Here, first important is no need of variable declaration. Clear? No need of variable declaration. In other programming language, end of the statement is semicolon. Here, no need of semicolons. No need of class declaration. No need of main program. No need of begin curly braces. No need of end curly braces. All right. Now we are writing. In Java, the output statement is system.out.println. Java, the output statement system.out.println. But in Python, only the print statement is a output statement. How execute this? These are the main differences between the Java and So guys, up to here, clear all of you. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos in Python, please subscribe for our digital YouTube channel. Thank you very much.